channel, I like to do a giveaway because I have so much left that Scrap Hut sent me. So check out the website because they have so many amazing stuff. www.scraphut.nl, www.scraphut.nl, and check out the link. The link is to be found below this video. And I have so much left, guys. I have so much left. So I made 2 packages that I will do for a giveaway. So I have, I made the album with it, with all those goodies, but I have so much left. So what I have left, I want to share with you. So I have one nice pack for the vagebond. So that's at least one full pack of the 12x12 papers, and all the rest that I did not use, that I used, is inside here. So it's really a nice package. And then the same thing for the lady vagebond. Everything what I have left, also a full paper pack of lady vagebond, and also nice new things, used things, old kind of things that, yeah, I can store that. But I don't know if I'm gonna use that again. So yes, I made 2 giveaways, and if you like to join that, if you like to win one of that gift, then write to me. Put a comment below this video, and yeah, how can you win? Just leave a comment. Just leave me a nice comment. That's enough. More you don't have to do. But please be a subscriber. Be a subscriber to my channel. Otherwise you can't win. Nope. And leaving a comment on my Facebook or Instagram is not able to win this package. You really need to be having a comment on below this video, guys, otherwise you can't win. So I will pick a winner one of these days. I don't know when I think about it, but I will when the time is ready. So write me a comment, guys. Be a subscriber, give me a big thumbs up. Please give me a big thumbs up. If you don't give me a big thumbs up, you can't win it either. Alright, so what you need to do is give me a big thumbs up for this video. I hope you do with my other videos, but write me a comment. A nice comment will always, I always love to read those. The longer the better. No, it's true. No, just leave me just a nice comment, and please tell me why you want to win this. Perhaps you want to win this for somebody else. I have no idea. Just write me and maybe I'll pick you. Alright. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, check out the link www.scraphut.nl. They do send to other countries. I know that. And otherwise, just email them if you see something on the website and your country is not available. Just send them an email and perhaps they do send to you. Just email them www.scraphut.nl, www.scraphut.nl. Check it out, guys. They have so much, and they were so generous to send me all those nice things. Otherwise I could not make this nice giveaway. Alright, thumbs up, write me a comment. Till next time, bye bye.